Understanding Bridal Shower Favors. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that's quite popular in English-speaking cultures, especially during wedding seasons. We're talking about bridal shower favors. If you're curious about what these are and why they're significant, you're in the right place. Let's get started and uncover the beautiful tradition behind bridal shower favors. Bridal shower favors are small gifts given to guests as a token of appreciation for attending and celebrating the bride-to-be's upcoming wedding. These favors are a way to thank guests for their support and to provide them with a memento of the occasion. Typically, the favors are related to the theme of the bridal shower or have a personal significance to the bride. Bridal shower favors hold a special place in the celebration because they reflect the bride's gratitude towards her guests. They also enhance the overall experience of the bridal shower, making it more memorable for everyone involved. Selecting the right favors is considered an expression of the bride's personality and her relationship with the guests. When it comes to choosing bridal shower favors, the possibilities are endless. Some popular ideas include personalized items, such as keychains, mugs, or photo frames with the wedding date or couple's names. Edible treats, like homemade cookies, jams, or chocolates, often presented in pretty packaging. Beauty products, mini lotions, bath bombs, or lip balms are always appreciated. Eco-friendly options, such as seed packets or small potted plants, symbolizing growth and new beginnings. The key is to select something that guests will find useful or delightful, adding a personal touch whenever possible. The presentation of bridal shower favors is just as important as the favors themselves. Beautiful packaging can elevate a simple favor into something truly special. Think about using ribbons, custom tags, or decorative boxes to present your favors. The effort put into the presentation shows your guests how much you value their presence at your bridal shower. Bridal shower favors are a charming tradition that adds to the joy and festivity of the occasion. Whether you opt for something personalized, edible, or practical, the key is to choose with love and gratitude. We hope this video helps you understand the significance and the beauty of bridal shower favors. Thank you for watching, and we wish all the brides to be a magical and memorable bridal shower. See you in our next video. Remember, it's not just about the gift, but the thought and love behind it that truly count.